let's make text appear and disappear in your Instagram story. Now, Instagram has a bunch of different options to animate the text, maybe to make it appear, to disappear, to move around. I'll show you how to do all of that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram here. I'm just going to swipe to the right to bring up my story. Now, I'm going to just record a quick video here of my remote. And then now I'll be able to add that animated text that appears, disappears, bounces, all of those things. So let's tap on the AA at the top here. And we're just going to type in test and move this to the center here. Now, the key thing here is on this, let's move it there. The key thing, it keeps clicking out of it. I'm going to move it to the center there. The key thing is that different fonts allow for different animations that are assigned to that specific font. So if I tap the AA with the little 2 lines on the left of it, you can see it makes this text appear and disappear like we want. But I can switch over to a different text and you can see now it will type it out like an old school typewriter. I can keep going. This appears and disappears. This one kind of bobbles back and forth. This one goes up and down. This one, again, types it like a typewriter. This is really small and just kind of flashes the text. This one has a quick slide through. And then this one expands and contracts. So there are different animations assigned with different fonts on here. So go through these, choose whichever text and animation you want. If you want them to appear and disappear, it is the second to last one here. Of course, you can edit the text to be whatever you want, and then you can add multiple text to appear and disappear if you wanted to do that as well. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.